You will not become fluent on a special day. No music will play. No light will come from the sky. No English teacher will run into your room and say, "Congratulations, you are fluent now." No, it doesn't happen like that. Fluency is much quieter. One day, someone asks you a question. Maybe, "How was your day?" And something strange happens. You answer. Not perfectly, not like a movie actor. You just answer. Maybe slowly, with simple words, maybe with one mistake. But you do not freeze. You do not translate every word in your head. You do not build the sentence for 10 years. You just talk. And later you think, wait, I just spoke English. That was me. And I did not die. That is how fluency starts. Not with perfect English, with moving English. English that keeps going. Most learners think fluency means knowing every word, never making mistakes, understanding every movie. Well, I mean, that is a fantasy. A very expensive fantasy with subtitles. Real fluency means you can say what you mean, maybe in simple words, not perfectly, but the idea comes out, you know? The person understands you. The conversation continues. That is fluency, living English. But here is the trap. Many people wait. They say, "I need more words, more grammar, one more app." Learning is good. Lessons are good. But if you only collect English, it stays in a museum. Nice, clean, silent, behind glass. But speaking is not a museum. Speaking is a kitchen. It is messy. Something falls. Something burns. You sort of forget the salt. But food happens. English is the same. You need to use it, even when it is not pretty. You don't become fluent because you know everything. You become fluent because you use what you already know. That is the small door. Many learners walk past it every day. They want a big door with gold letters, advanced English. But the real door is small. It says, "Use simple English today." Not tomorrow, today. Let's say you want to say you are tired, but you do not remember the word exhausted. So you stop. You panic. Your brain looks back and says, "Sorry, no service." Now what? A fluent speaker does not stop forever. They find another way. You say, "I am very tired." That is it. Not fancy, but clear. You don't know delicious? Say, "Really good." You don't know conversation? Say, "Talk." Simple words are your emergency tools, like a small English first aid kit. Very tired. Really good. I don't know. These phrases are powerful because they keep the conversation alive, and fluency is the ability to keep English alive. A fluent speaker isn't someone who never gets stuck. It's someone who gets unstuck. That is the real skill. You forget a word? Use another word. You make a mistake? Keep going. The grammar police are not coming. Relax. Your first language is a highway. Wide, fast, easy. English is a smaller road. So when you speak, your brain runs to the big highway first. It translates. It checks grammar. It worries. Then the moment is gone. This is why you freeze. You freeze not because you are stupid, but because your brain uses the road it knows best. To make the English road faster, use it every day. One sentence, one comment, one voice message. Do not make fluency a big event. Make it a loop. Every day, hear it, say it, use it. Listen to simple English for 5 minutes. Your brain needs friendly English, not English with a sword. Take one sentence you like. Repeat it 3 times. "I had a long day." Now your mouth muscle knows it better. Then put it into your life. That is how English leaves the screen and enters your day. Another important thing, stop translating big sentences. Your language may have beautiful, deep, long thoughts. But your English does not need to carry a whole sofa on its back. Make the sentence smaller. What is the simple meaning? Instead of, "Today was emotionally difficult and I wasn't productive." In simple English, say, "Today was hard. I felt tired. I didn't do much." The meaning is there. The English is clear. Do not translate words. Translate the meaning. And yes, fluency practice can feel boring. You talk about coffee. You say, "I am hungry. I want to sleep." But easy English is usable English, and usable English becomes natural. Hard English may impress people. Easy English becomes yours. So try this today. Speak for 1 minute. One day, someone will ask, "How was your day?" And you will answer. Simple words, short sentences. But you will not stop. You will smile and think, "Wait, I just spoke English. I did not prepare. I just spoke." That is fluency. Moving English. Living English. English stops being a subject you study. It becomes a tool you use. So use it today. Small, simple, messy, human. Keep going.